1, 2, 3, bird bros.
Bird bros.
1, 2, 3.
Bird bros. In your face.
Alright, well, time for Point Pelee. Supposed to pick Sean up at 3 a.m. I slept in. It's about 4:08 and 20 minutes from his house. He's probably pissed. He said no worries in the text message, but he put a period after no worries. So. Oops.
Mask on. Hi guys, how's it going? We're headed down to Lake Erie to find some sweet birds. It's like really early, but they're already chirping, so let's get to it. Seatbelt, John. Gotta be safe.
Well, we're here. We made it.
Point Pelee National Park.
Yeah. It's second weekend of May. Hopefully it's prime migration, whatever.
Yep. So far, we're just driving through the marsh part, and like we're not really anywhere close to the tip right now. Lots of marshes, kind of close to the mainland. Tons of red-winged blackbirds and grackles, just all over the place.
Yeah, yeah. You know, saw a couple birds on the drive-in. You know, your northern harrier, I saw one.
Yeah, killdeer.
Killdeer, great blue heron.
Not bad, not bad. But not we want to see the warblers. We want to see those migrating cool birds, not these silly marsh birds.
You know, I'll take a lifer if I see it, you know. I want a lifer, but just the birds, just to see them again. It's been a year, you know.
Yeah, you only see warblers once a time in the year, and it's the May, and it's right now during migration, best time to see them. And oh, look at that.
A turkey.
Turkey. Awesome.
Gobble gobble.
Oh man, gonna get that 100 bird pin.
Yeah, we're gonna count them all, folks.
All right, we're going to the main parking lot, and not looking that busy, which is awesome. Because sometimes it's super busy.
I can thank COVID for that one.
Thank you, COVID.
Just outside the visitor center, we've already got a bird.
Oh, what is it?
A white-crowned sparrow.
Nice.
That's pretty cool.
It's got a very bold black and white striping on its head and that orange beak.
Yeah, and the whole chest is like a gray color.
Oh, and there's a different type of sparrow.
Chipping sparrow.
Chipping sparrow has that bright reddish orange cap. There you go.
And there's another sparrow, Sean.
Oh, is that a dark-eyed junco?
Sure is.
Nice.
Saw 3 sparrows in front of the visitor center, right off the hop. Not bad.
Into the woods we go. 6 kilometers or so to the tip. No trams this year, for obvious reasons. COVID.
There's a bird up in that tree.
Whoa.
Wood duck in a tree.
Cool.
It's a male wood duck. You can tell because its pattern is all wacky and shit. Oh, what's that, John?
Well, that's a common grackle.
I knew that.
It's like a black bird with a purplish, bluish head there.
Yeah, and the eyes are yellow, so I'm keeping that in mind, because this blackbird here, the red-winged blackbird, doesn't have any yellow eyes. Yep, this one here's a male, and he looks like he's hungry.
He's got a strong tongue game. This swampy area looks like a good habitat for birds. I wonder if we'll see any. Well, there's a tree swallow.
Oh, nice.
And there's another tree swallow.
What's it doing there in that tree?
Well, it looks like it's going to use that old woodpecker hole as a nesting spot.
So cool.
Woodpeckers are a vital part of the ecosystem because their holes create nesting opportunities for other bird species.
Gotta love them peckers.
Oh yeah. Well, there's a bird.
What do you see there, John?
Well, that's a common yellow-throated warbler, and typically found in like a marshy kind of habitats.
This is true. Only ever do we see them around the water.
Black and white warbler on 3. 1, 2, 3. Black and white warbler! Hi.
Hello.
Bye.
Goodbye.
I love birding.
Doop-a-doop-a-doo, doop-a-doo.
Oh, there's a bird in there.
Oh, what's that?
Another sparrow.
Oh my gosh, I want to see warblers, not sparrows.
I want to see all birds. That's a white-throated sparrow. I wonder why it's called a white-throated sparrow. Ah, turkey.
Nope, just a log.
A bird.
Oh,
There's a warbler, Sean.
that's an American redstart.
Pretty cool.
They got orange on their wings and on their tail.
Is that a warbler?
No.
Oh, that's a blue jay.
Yep, that's a blue jay for sure.
Year-round occupants of southern Ontario.
Extremely freaking common.
Is that one a warbler?
No. That's a thrasher.
The brown thrasher. The songbird with the largest song repertoire in the entire world. Well, I know that one's not a warbler.
No, that's a canary.
Cardinal.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Not. Fooled ya.
Got me.
Oh, what's that there? Looks like a type of thrush.
A hermit thrush.
Oh, what a beautiful little bird.
Just hanging out in our good luck spot. We got our chairs. Nice little chairs.
Let the birds come to us.
Let the birds come to us. We've chased enough birds in our day. GoPro, turn your power off.
GoPro, stop recording.
Majestic time lapse.
Whoa. Look how fast those people are going.
Whoa.
You can count on the Bird Bros to bring you the most epic of shots.
It's just like yellow warbler here.
Oh, so epic for such a boring bird.
Oh, look, another bird.
Oh, that's a waxwing.
Cool.
Cedar waxwing.
Yeah. What's that one? Oh, it's a ruby crowned kinglet.
Fuck. See enough of those in my day.
A warbler.
Oh, is that a palm warbler?
Sure is.
Oh, and that one there.
It's also a palm warbler.
Yay!
Nice.
Very good footage, John.
These ones like to twerk their bottoms as well.
There's a bird.
Oh.
What is it?
It's another kinglet.
Oh, fuck.
Golden crown kinglet.
Not that ruby crown. This one has a golden crown, like a king.
Oh, our first Virio of the day. It's a warbling Virio. Because it's a Virio species, but it warblers. It warbles. It acts like a warbler.
There's a black birdie warbler. This little bird here is always a delight to see and very easy to identify.
Because it's got an orange face.
That's right.
And this is a mourning dove. Because they're always sad.
Just like this giant tower they built that they won't open up because of COVID.
And engineering issues.
Alright, let's keep our eyes open, hopefully to find even more birds.
Oh, there's a whippoorwill.
That's not a whippoorwill, it's just a pom-pom.
Definitely not a whippoorwill.
Hey, there's a pecker.
Oh, is that a little hairy woodpecker?
No, that's a Downy Woodpecker.
Are you sure about that?
See how its beak is only about the third of the length of its head? As opposed to the hairy's double length beak.
Oh.
There's an even bigger pecker.
Yeah, that's a redheaded woodpecker. A red-headed woodpecker.
Because it's got a red head.
You know, these birds, you only catch them for like a certain little short time period here in Point Pelee.
Yeah, these guys are a pretty uncommon species to see in southern Ontario. Although you do get them annually.
Oh, and some TVs flying by. TVs is slang for turkey vultures.
I always like to watch me some TVs.
Getting closer to the tip. Hence all the sand. Long sandy point at the end of the tip. And beautiful beach.